Hey everyone, welcome. Today I would like to share with you the practice of thought field therapy. Thought field therapy, or TFT, is a mind-body-spirit practice that was created by the clinical psychologist Dr. Roger Callahan. This practice involves holding a thought or problem within our mind while also combining acupressure points and eye movement exercises. According to Dr. Callahan, our negative emotions or thoughts often get caught in our thought fields. These thoughts can get stuck and continue to bother us and affect our emotions. Through the TFT practice, we can diminish the power that our problems or negative thoughts have within our mind. This exercise doesn't change reality, but it can help to change the way that we react or view our reality. I now invite you to practice thought field therapy with me. To start this practice, hold your problem or your thought in your mind. On a scale of 1 to 10, assess how strongly this problem is affecting your thoughts and your emotions. 10 being the most strong negative effects of anxiety, preoccupation, and 1 being not that strong of an effect over your overall well-being. We'll come back to this scale after this practice to evaluate how well this has helped you to gain control of your emotions surrounding this problem. So once you have your problem in mind, we will start with the acupressure points. For each acupressure point, you want to tap 5 to 7 times to help release the flow of energy in that area. The first acupressure point is right above your eyebrows. So tap lightly 5 to 7 times. The second point is right below your eyes, kind of on your cheekbones here. The third point is underneath your arms on your side here, kind of like doing the chicken dance. It's a little awkward, but you just have to tap in that area. The fourth and final acupressure point is right here, kind of below, about an inch below your collarbones, right here on your sternum. So once again, you want to tap 5 to 7 times. The final part of this exercise involves finding the Gabot Point, which is right below your pinky on your non-dominant hand. Tap that point 5 times. Then continue to tap while closing your eyes, opening your eyes, moving your eyes to the left, moving your eyes to the right, rolling your eyes one direction, rolling your eyes the other direction, closing your eyes again, and focusing your breath.